In this pandemic, what we completely overlooked is that our kids' life have completely changed. It has been 360-degree topsy-turvy. They cannot behave the way they used to behave. They cannot go out, meet their friends, pursue certain hobby, go for some kind of classes and all. At least they cannot speak. They cannot even speak their mind because they don't have enough knowledge about the language, how to structure what they're exactly feeling. As adults, as grown-up people, we are having a lot of interaction, but the kids are not equipped enough to interact in that way. So that in turn was building, and they were totally confused about their about the studies, their school, whether it is going to open or not, whether they're going to have exams or not. So many things were coming up. They were not allowed to meet their dear friends, and if they were doing a lot of chatting with their friends together, we were hovering over and checking out what they're exactly doing, and that was really, really something which were not good for them. So many things that was going on, and they were also watching us talk about the lot of stress that we are going, and their world, a lot of kids world was shattering, thinking, I hope things doesn't go worse in my family. At least I hope things become absolutely fine with us. So during this time, as coach and as a team of our coaches, we thought that what we can do for these kids, how we can take them to some other life condition, which is called as the high life condition. We cannot go to them, we cannot meet them, but fortunately we have a team of coaches who are celebrity coaches. And one thing that this pandemic, there are many things we gained during this pandemic. We gained the love for nature, the importance of health, and many other things. But one important thing that we gained is going beyond our boundaries and getting connected to people through this online, online courses, classes, sessions. I never thought that I can do so before this. So this is something which we were looking out for. So now my work is boundaryless. We can connect anybody from anywhere, right? So that is how beautifully this is one of the beautiful gifts we got. We are also training our kids how to find possibilities and beauty in everything around them, from the worst situation that is possible. So I am Anindita Garg, parenting coach and counselor. My job is to make the kids and teens unstoppable and unbreakable. For that, whatever is required, we are ready to do that. I'm very fortunate to have a team of my people. We are having an organization called Mind, where there are various type of coaches. But especially during this lockdown and pandemic, we could get connected to some fabulous coaches. I will introduce you to them. They are all celebrity coaches, and they are fantastic in their own job. But they could take out time to coach the kids into various amazing activities and life skills. I will tell you who they are. But the idea was there are two things we looked into while designing this skill camp. One is the kid starts discussing about what's stopping them and all. So we were giving some important life skill values, some access to life through my my interaction, which I am known for. Like we were talking about gadget addiction, how to study smart, nutrition value. There are many interesting topics we have covered. So every day for first half an hour, we talk on some topic which will they get a value from which that topic, and they will really get real tools and techniques to apply it in their own life, and they will see a shift in their own life. Second 1.5 hour, one of our celebrity coach takes over and they train them into something amazing. For example, right now we already have Chandrankit sir with us. He's a magician and mentalist. I will also talk about him in detail. But just to introduce you, he's a TED Talk speaker, magician, and mentalist. Now, his job is not only to teach how to do certain tricks and
Bhavika. Did they log in? They asked them to log in.
Okay. So actually what he does with the kid is that he helps the kid to create their own magic. And today you're going to see that, because a lot of our kids are going to perform that. So they are not stuck to certain tricks, they can expand their horizon of imagination and creativity, and now they have the ownership of create their own magic. Not only that, he was also teaching the kids many things like body language, how to associate the imagination with different things, and many other things like that. The impact of storytelling, confidence, many things like that. So through his magic mental games and magic learning, kids have learned a lot, and they will show that to you. We are also going to have, let's also, break this ice and tell you that he is a very famous magician and mentalist, especially in India. Today, he is going to show something very special to our guest. He has agreed to perform something very special for you, and we are looking forward to that. So please stay with us till the end, because we are going to have some fabulous performance from some special magic show from Chandrankit sir. We are all excited and looking forward to us. So that is something, one thing which we are going forward to. And then there are many other coaches. One by one, I'll introduce you to those coaches and how they have created a different impact in their life. For example, Ankit Tanna sir has just joined. So Ankit Tanna sir introduced Indian dance, Bollywood dance to kids. Now we could understand, we were only working with Indian out here. We never knew that Indians there did not know what is Bhangra, Bollywood and other things. Now it was a challenge for us, but Ankit Tanna sir had done the job beautifully. What he did is that he was, having a mix of both the genres. So he was having some Western song, and he was creating what we call this as a mashup, or what do we say about that, the mix that we call?
Yeah, we can call it a medley of
Hmm.
hip hop and Bollywood.
I was just finding this word medley. So he was creating a medley of English and similar to it, some Bollywood song. Kids have really started loving the Desi dance and the Bollywood dance. They were really having lots of fun. You are going to see our kids perform today. I don't think they have ever performed on the Bollywood and Bhangra and these kind of songs ever before. And they all did a fantastic job. You're going to see that also. We also we have been very fortunate to have Jitesh Patil, who was a celebrity fashion photographer and videographer. You're going to see something very special the kids have made during this summer skill camp. So it's been a beautiful journey where our intention was to take out all these thoughts and stress from the kids' mind, all the not only to take out this confusion, but utilize this time for taking them on a very high scale, high life condition where they talk about possibility. Right now, you can see one of the example. Right now, it's happening in front of you. Sri Charan has gone for his vacation. He had attended most of the classes, like I think 2 weeks classes, staying in vacation. He made it sure that he gets connected. Sometimes there was issues with the connection and all. Today he is coming back from vacation, and he also told that I cannot attend the class because I will be traveling exactly during the time when this grand finale will happen. We requested him to give it a thought and think about how it is possible. So every time life will throw this kind of situation where you find a block and barrier. Now this is it, nothing can happen. Our training is to train the kids what's beyond that. This is it, but now what? Now what can I do? You can see Sri Charan right now attending the whole session in his car. So he's coming back, but he made sure that he gets some connection, and he's attending the whole session in car. So that's how we really create possibilities for kids. So this is what is really happening in our, this whole situation is getting beautiful. We are training these minds, and why we are training these minds? Because today's kids and teens, few years down the line, down the years, will be the youth of that country. We are not only altering the thought of an individual, we are making the country, the next generation and the country strong by this kind of inculcation. So in a very simplified manner, in a very enjoyable manner, believe me, the kids look forward to this session. It's not easy to log in every day from Monday to Saturday without a break. We only have a break on Sunday, and this Sunday we did not even have that. But the kids, without missing a single day, they have been attending. Kids as small as 6-year-old Sahasra. She might be feeling sleepy early morning, 9 o'clock in the, during vacation, but that did not deter her to get up, wake up, get rest and attend it. So this is what we are building up out here, which is really valuable, I think, for all the kids. We were amazed to find the kind of technical knowledge our kids have got. They have helped us out. Pushkar, Soham, Siddharth, they have really shown how they are really brilliant with the technical knowledge. And we are training them how to use technology and gadget as a power and not get used by it. So a lot of parents have some issues regarding gadget addiction and all. We have to understand that our kids are born in the era and the genre of technology. We cannot take away technology for them. What we need to train them is how to handle human compulsiveness. So it is not the technology which is a problem. It is the human compulsiveness which is a problem which we cannot handle. And it has a problem in many ways. Like we have to have certain amount of sleep, or this food we want to have, this food we do not want to have. We want to sleep and one on one side of the bed. So there are many things. So we give freedom from human compulsiveness from through our coaching also. So these are few of the things which I really wanted to share with you. I would like to also hear from few of our coaches so that they can also have some contribution about how they felt about this land was new for us. This exposure was new for us. We were working with kids who are not, what we do out here. I have a tendency of mixing English and Hindi because I don't speak continuously. So I learned from them. There were typical few languages I also picked up. That there is Thingi. I have picked up this language, Thingi. There is no thing, a Thingi. I said, oh, Thingi, there is something new. So I kept on learning something new because these are not something which we hear very often. The accent, see, I can speak in a good accent nowadays. So this is not an accent which I had earlier. So we are learning a lot. It's like both the side. It's a new world for us. And we also have picked up a lot of things. So I would request Chandrankit sir, if you can share how was your experience and what you're looking forward to.
Of course. Thank you so much, Anindita ma'am. It was really surprising how people think. It's to me, I'm in a very creative field, and I always talk about creativity and how to generate these ideas. These are all the technical aspects of what we do. But for me, on personal level, it is a really different experience when I talk to different people, and everybody has a different mindset, a different way, a different intellectual level, and a different approach towards anything and everything that I show. So in every batch that we did, I always ask a few questions while performing certain things and all. So the kind of response that I got from the kids here, it's super amazing. I sometimes fail to believe this, that young kids like Samarth and Sahasra, they can come up with such brilliant answers. And of course, Soham, Pushkal, Siddharth, Trisha, and Diksha all were great. And I learned a lot on different things because sometimes it happens. They say that you give a kid a small toy, they make a universe out of that toy, and we are not able to handle such a big thing around us. But kids find that universe in that small thing. So for me, it's the same thing. When I listen to the answers or the ideas that are coming from their minds, it's like it brings back a lot of memories to me as well. And in terms of learning aspect, yes, I do learn a lot from kids all the time. So in the beginning itself, I want to thank each and every one of you for joining, and of course making me a part of this small journey we had. So I'm really looking forward to talk a lot on the experiences. I want to hear your experiences, but we'll do that in the as we proceed further. And I also have something really amazing to show you, something very, very creative that I am showing exclusively here. So I'll wait for that. Thank you so much, Anandita ma'am.
Thank you so much. This is lovely. And that really reminds me, a lot of time we underestimate the kids, or we form certain kind of perception about them. I had a certain kind of perception about each one of them. We very easily do that. Like I thought that Siddharth, I do not know whether he'll be ever participating, but he is so participative. Just by looking at his face, we feel that he will not be able to do it, but he was wonderful. Samarth, he's a very small, tiny guy. How will he understand this deep thought? My God, the kind of answer he used to give, the kind of replies he used to give is completely amazing. He used to blow our mind like anything. And same as Shahasra, like the questions she would ask me, or she would make sure that I do certain kind of work. So if I'm teaching something, she makes sure that I do that also myself. So there were, these people were amazing. I found like Diksha, I do not know whether she is listening because she is very silent. Oh my God, she's got such beautiful, deep answers. And she's the first person who logs in, and she's very punctual. She's so attentive. So being silent can mean that you're attentive also. Sri Charan, I found him like he's sleeping most of the time. He's not even, noticing what we are doing. The kind of dance form he has got, the way, I think something happens to him whenever the music starts. He's like this, yawning and immediately he changes himself once the music starts. So amazing transformation and participation from Trisha, like that really peps up the whole thing. Kind of informative ideas and knowledge base that Pushkal has amazes me. Like there are few things even I don't know what he searches and gives as an information. That's really, really brilliant. Soham is so patient and at the same time is funny, and he keeps the whole class so lively. So these are the things which we, and again, Pia, Pia was there with us for, I think, 2 to 3 weeks, but she participated so brilliantly. She had made certain things. She started laughing, and at the beginning, she will not be laughing. I said, I don't know whether she's enjoying or not, but she had been really, really creative with her ideas, and she was smiling, laughing, being naughty, which we really want people to do. So just to share that we really have underestimated our kids a lot. You will see their work. I'm going to show you the kind of work they have done. Why I'm showcasing with all these things to you is that we really want to continue this work with your help. And if you find it that it's worth it, and we are taking your kids forward, I would like your inputs and your contribution towards that, and sharing how we can go about it and how we can do that. So let's have a quick input and sharing from Ankit sir. He has been, again, the kids' favorite. All our coaches are kids' favorite. They really keep on asking. But Ankit sir, he brings that energy, that vibe in the class. And not only the kids, the parents also enjoyed his class. They also used to take part and practice and, do a lot of things. So over to you, Ankit sir, for your inputs.
Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am. Hi, everyone. It's good to see everyone again. I hope all the students, I hope you have practiced. First of all, I'll tell you this. Today is your final performance, and I hope you've practiced, and I hope you're ready for it. So, hi, parents. For us, it's a journey of, the way I look at it, it's a journey of friendship. I like to make friends with the students and try and understand what is in their head. So like Anandita ma'am said, that a lot of students were, because it's early morning, a lot of students were, they look like they're not interested, or they're sleepy, or they're, tired, have just woken up. But the kind of attention span that they have, and the kind of focus that they had throughout these classes was wonderful. Like I would say the same for Soham. Like Soham used to play around with things and get distracted all. But at the end of the class, he knew exactly what I have taught in the class. Even if I felt that, oh, he's not paying attention, he knew every single thing that he is that was taught in class that day. So same for even Sri Charan. Sri Charan's energy throughout the class was wonderful. So every time, like ma'am said, every time he heard music, the energy used to come out, and he used to just go all out. So every child that way, every student has been very different, and it has been a wonderful experience for us also, especially for me to train them, because for me the difficult part was that most of them have not heard uh, Bollywood music or Hindi music, to as we say. So for me to make them understand that kind of music, that kind of style, and mix it along with something that they like hip hop, they like some English songs, so try to mix all of that and made it a little more fun for them as well as for myself. So yes, it has been a wonderful experience. So thank you, parents. Thank you to everyone who supported and made this happen, that we could also get a chance to interact with such wonderful students. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Ankit Tanna sir. I think we have been speaking for a long time now. So can we have a performance if you allow, if the kids are ready? Do you think this is the right time now?
Yes, I think we should get on with the performance. Guys, is everybody ready? I hope all the students are ready. I hope you're ready with all your props. Keep all your props in place and remember your dance position, your position that you marked last time. Make sure you're seen clearly on your video. Okay, and let's do this from the beginning, right from the top, all your songs. Let's go, let's go. Get ready, please.
Yeah, go for it, go for it. And I hope all the parents have also logged in. If the parents have not logged in, please ask them. This is the time, the performance, the show time begins.
Yes, all the best, everyone. Rock it.
Okay, keep all your props ready. Keep your handkerchiefs, keep your sunglasses, keep your toys, keep everything ready. Adjust your cameras. Make sure you're seen clearly. Shri Charan, you can dance in the car itself with your hands. Okay, Trisha, you ready? Sahasra, you ready? And Soham, you can adjust your camera slightly. Put it slightly up. Pushkal, I hope you're ready. And Diksha, are we ready? Okay, Pia and Siddharth, let's go. And Samarth, ready Samarth? Full energy today, okay? And okay, I am guessing that all...
Samarth's dressing is already in full energy, like he's in a swag right now. Wow, I love that.
Yeah, Samarth, you're looking like a film star. You're looking like a hero. Okay, let's go, everyone. Get ready, please. Keep all your props ready and let's begin from the beginning. This is not going to be a group competition. This is all of you dancing together. So make sure you give it your best. A lot of energy and a lot of smiling. Okay, I'm going to be dancing with you. I'm going to be dancing with you and let's do this from the beginning. Let's go. I request all the parents, if you want to see only your child, then you can pin the video. Or if you want to watch everybody together, you can go to the gallery view and you can view everyone. Okay, ready guys? And let's go from the beginning. Yes, Shri Charan, are you trying to say something?
If I could that.
You can type it also because we are not able to hear you clearly because you're traveling.
Yes, Shri Charan, please type it in the chat box. And I can check. Shri Charan, you can type your message. I'm not able to hear you. Okay, let's go from the beginning, right from the top. Ready, guys? Pia, are you ready? I'm waiting for Pia. Are you there? Yes, perfect. Okay, let's go.
Voy por ahí, mami, voy por ahí. La pista de baile la vamos a destruir. Pero no para que lo va a discutir ya. Welcome to the remix. Go. Hey, watch out for this. Hey, voy por ahí. सीडी बजा के बोल भैया
Whatever you wear, babe, you can make the whole room stare. But you know that my favorite is when you're rocking that this is way. Now whatever you wear, babe, you can make the whole room stare. You know that my favorite is when you're rocking that this is way.
ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸੂਟ ਸੂਟ ਕਰਦਾ ਉਹ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸੂਟ ਸੂਟ ਕਰਦਾ ਸੂਟ ਕਰਦਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸੂਟ ਸੂਟ ਕਰਦਾ ਉਹ ਨੀ ਤੂੰ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਪੰਜਾਬਣ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਪਟੋਲਾ ਲੱਗੇ ਨੀ ਤੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਖਰੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸੂਟ ਸੂਟ ਕਰਦਾ ਉਹ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸੂਟ ਸੂਟ ਕਰਦਾ ਉਹ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸੂਟ ਸੂਟ ਕਰਦਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸੂਟ ਸੂਟ ਕਰਦਾ
Gotta touch your mind.
ਦੀਆਂ ਧੁੰਮਾਂ ਪੈ ਗਈਆਂ ਤੂੰ ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹ ਤੋਂ ਆਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਭਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਖੜੇ ਚੌਂਕਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਫਾਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੋਟੀ ਤੇ ਕਾਲਾ ਦਿਲ ਕੁੜੀਏ ਕੋਟੀ ਤੇ ਕਾਲਾ ਦਿਲ ਕੁੜੀਏ ਜੋ ਦਾਗੇ ਜਨ ਦੇ ਟੁਕੜੇ ਤੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਜੱਜਦਾ ਏ ਜੱਜਦਾ ਏ ਕੋਲੇ ਮੁਖੜੇ ਤੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਜੱਜਦਾ ਏ ਜੱਜਦਾ ਏ ਕੋਲੇ ਮੁਖੜੇ ਤੇ ओ नीनी नीनी आंखों को झुका के रख ले गोरे गोरे गालों को छुपा के रख ले ओ नीनी नीनी आंखों को झुका के रख ले गोरे गोरे गालों को छुपा के रख ले है करी ना की ओ है करी ना किसी दिन और प्यार मुझे तो बच के रही तो हुने हुने हुई मुझे यार मुझे तो बच के रही तो हुने हुने हुई मुझे यार मुझे तो बच के रही
Wow, that's super amazing, guys.
This is
Wow.
Good job. Very good job. Thanks,
amazing.
Ankit sir.
Excellent. Well done, everybody. Please give them a big round of applause. Very well done. All the students.
job.
Lots of energy. Great energy. Keep it up. Keep
Good
it up.
job.
Just superb. I think how many songs are there in total, Ankit sir, they've danced to?
There are 6 medleys, 6 different mashups, and each mashup has 2 songs. One in Hindi, one in English.
Around approximately 12 songs to remember and memorize the dance, which is, have your kids have ever memorized so many dance in one stress? And I could not see even one child going wrong. All of them were bang on. I'm feeling so proud of each one of you, full of energy, not even one step wrong. So there are 2-3 things which I also want to mention, you know, that that reminded me that again, we are training the kids how to go beyond the limitations and beyond their mind barrier. And a lot of times you'll be stopped. So once Pushkal had a fever and he was not well, and that day was Ankit sir's dance class. So he observed the dance, and in the end, he danced, he performed, and he practiced. So that's how, you know, kids are really doing it. I was so happy to see Sri Charan dancing inside the car. Whatever he could do, he was doing it sitting in the car. So I am so happy that they're imbibing the coaching and they're imbibing everything in their life right now on the platform. So this is brilliant. This is really brilliant.
Well done, everybody.
And, all of them were looking gorgeous. Like I could right now see Diksha's full attire. It was wow, awesome. And Shahasra is looking like a princess. She is looking so beautiful. And Trisha, she always looks very smart. So that's there. Even Pia remembered the whole dance even after coming back from the vacation. Siddharth always surprises me. Like he was sitting like this and all of a sudden he'll dance like this. Wow, that's too good. Awesome. Samarth was very nice. Very good. Soham, you did again. You were full on. So did a fantastic performance. So that's amazing. That's really, really great. So I would, before we go for the next performance or next, part of the show, I would request any one of the parents, if you can share your experience for this, how you felt about this thing going on for 1 month. It will be really great. So if any one of you can unmute yourself and please share.
My dad is in a phone call.
Yes, please. Amarji, you want to share? I think you have to go to some other room.
So
Yes.
I think he was on a phone call. That's what Diksha said.
Oh, he was
Even.
on a phone call. He said, it was echoing. So I said he wants to share. I heard that. Okay.
Oh, yeah, now I'm free.
Yes.
Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, clear, loud and clear, sir.
Yeah, it was excellent, excellent. Thanks, Anita. And, we made this happen. And thank you, all the coaches. You guys did an excellent, fabulous job. And I can see all the kids are, so enthusiastic and, they're so attentive. And they did a splendid job, like getting up in the morning in the summer. And yeah, you kids are rocking. Yeah, keep up the good job. And thanks, Anita, and thanks to Sham. Yeah, particularly. And, he made this to happen. I know how difficult, like very limited set of people, but still he did a good job. And thank you, Sham, and thanks, Anita ma'am, and thanks everyone. Thanks, Sadanit sir, thanks, Akikana sir, and thanks all the coaches. And yeah, we look forward and we are going to continue.
Yes,
Yes.
definitely. And thanks
Thank
to
you
you,
all.
Amarji, because you are the initiator of this. It could only have been possible because of you. You are a rock solid support to us. You do not have any other personal gain other than forwarding these kids' lives, and that was brilliant. So thank you for this support, because without your support, we could not have even imagined something like this. So this
Oh,
is,
you're always welcome. You're always welcome, Anita. Yes, we'll do this. Yeah, thank you.
we are surely going to take this forward. Now, I also
Yes.
want to, tell all the parents, and if there are few guests, that we are going to have some whole new thing for the next 1 month. Nothing is
Good.
going to be repeated. We are structuring something new. In fact, we have already introduced one more coach that she is, she has coached into making dream catcher and beautiful bottle painting. I'm so sorry, Chandranki, I could not send her a message separately. If you
Oh, she's here, man.
there. Yes, yeah. How Minal is there.
Yeah.
So, Minal was there, and the kids just loved her work. Her
Oh,
class.
yes.
So this was
Yes.
really, so we are already, including some new things. We are experimenting and doing some new things, which is already started. And we are going to see some performance of magic from the kids. Before we go for one, I would take a quick
Yeah.
sharing from one of our coaches, Nobonita, if you can quickly share, how was your experience?
Hi, am I audible?
Yes, clear.
Okay. I had a fabulous experience, a little different than I generally have from the classes here in India. The kids are extremely calm and patient, and they are very responsive. Although the first glimpse of them always gives you an impression that they're probably not interested, but it's only after that they start doing the class with you, you know how interested they are. They are very, very receptive to ideas, to instructions, and that's what made me find this experience very different from what we have generally in India. Of course, both have their own space and their own joy. And I'm really thankful to the kids. I learned a lot from them, just as much as probably they did from me. I learned how to be, calm, how to be patient, how to give the other person on, on this other side of the screen time to settle down, and then they start asking you questions. They cooked along with me so well, and I think we turned out some really nice dishes. The first one was very challenging, and they got it right at the first instance, and that was something absolutely fantastic for me. I was feeling a little bad that I gave them a very difficult recipe to do, but they did it to the T, and they were so happy with it. Really made my day. I had a fabulous time both the Saturdays that I was there.
Yes, that was really amazing. Kids look forward to Navanita's class, because after that they have yummy food to indulge in. Even their parents love that. And our intention of including cooking and baking is that this is a basic life skill all the kids must know. Because we are now going global. Kids are going to travel for their further studies, their career option, and they need to understand that they must know the importance of nutrition, making their own food, not depending on fast food or junk or ready-made food. And they can create wonders, because what we eat becomes a part of ourselves, and each of our cell is developing through that. So that's very important to understand the importance. And also they start respecting how much effort their parents, their mom are putting in while they're dishing out something very yummy for them, or their favorite dish. It's very easy to dislike something. I did not like the taste, or what did you make? But they do not understand hours goes into it before planning also, and then making an effort. So I think they'll start respecting that more. So that is what our intention was. I will also take a very quick sharing from Santanam Swami sir before we hand it over to Chandrankit sir. Chandrankit sir, you can by the time think of who you are going to ask for the performance. And if you want that child to be prepared, you can take his or her name so that he's ready by that time.
Yes, absolutely. So, Trisha, would you like to go first? Yes, sure. Okay, so we have, you can be ready by the time we start this, and then over to Ananta ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much, Chandrankit sir. Santanam Swami sir, are you there?
Yes, very much there.
Okay, now I must share this with you. So, all these things beyond the barrier of mind, we ourselves have to practice it every day. Because if we are not practicing it ourselves and we are just teaching it, it does not work for anybody. So we make sure that we do it every day. So today morning, early morning, we woke up, and with Santanam Swami sir, and there are a few other, buddy we have who are cycling buddy. We went for a cycling trip of 60 kilometers, ride. So that was really amazing. So we cycled for 30 kilometers. Then there was a dam and there was a lake. We were swimming there, and then we came back, and it got little late. Then after that, there were other things. We were already having a schedule. Why I am sharing this with you? Why hobby is important? Why doing something what you really love is important? It is not just engaging your child to some creative work or hobby. When you're engaging your child or giving access to your child to something so powerful like this, they get an access how to recharge themselves. So after doing such a long ride and all, I was ready bang on for 2 back-to-back sessions. Swami sir is ready to talk right now. He is 73, sir? I always forget his age because he doesn't look 70. So at this age, and he was not well for so long. After a long time, he again started cycling. Did not stop him from attending the session today. So this is what we really want our kids to take away. take up, because hobby really is our battery charger. Staying connected to something which is our passion, our creative things, it's really brings a different side of us and makes us really powerful, and we start doing other things also very nicely. So because I did that in the morning and afternoon, I could do something with a lot of energy here. So yes, Swami sir, what is your take on this? Your sharing, please.
Hello kids, how are you? How are you? I could really see your energy when Ankit sir was really telling you about your performances and the way you perform. My goodness, I was very much surprised to see Sri Charan dancing in car. If anybody would have passed by them, they would have laughed that what is this kid doing? Is he gone mad? See, it's really surprising to see him dancing, and that he is one of the kid who is representing each one of you. And believe me, I watched each and every one of you. It was so amazing. I was surprised to see the Americans picked up so quickly the Indian thing. I'm really, and all of you, it's my assurance that you are going to enjoy. If you perform this thing in front of your any guest or relatives, they will be surprised to see your energy. Now see, my energetic session or energetic day today was only this cycling was there. But before cycling, I could wake up and see that Copa America was the final. That is between Brazil and Argentina. Both were my favorite teams. And one of the favorites, of course, has won. That is Messi was creative. Messi could create his magic. Then later on, I'm watching that Tour de France that just has ended, and it was a complete mountainous terrain today. And I saw how they were riding, those riders. I do not know if any one of you is cycling, they can see the importance and the way they cycle. And then I saw Djokovic winning, and I'm very sure that if sleeps permit me, I am going to watch the Euro final also. So about Sri Charan, what I wanted to tell was, see, this is the passion which he has developed for himself. And for that matter, each one of you have developed that passion about anything in your life, whether about your studies, whether in your game, whether it is about your friendships or anything in your life, you will have all sorts of fun in life, and you will start really loving each and every activity which you will be doing. So I do not want to take further more time. See, one more thing I would like to tell. See, you were a little bit lesser in the number of participants, but the energy which you all guys have provided us, that made us continue. That in spite of having limited number of kids, Anindita could deliver such a nice program, and along with Anindita, Chandrakant sir is as usual magical. And then Ankit is all time the bundle of energy, which boosted energy in you, as well as for all of us. I know Ajay and Nivedita. Sorry, I am very, very bad in remembering the names. So each one of us got energy actually from you. So I thank you all for participating so nicely and so action oriented. Your participation was that we all felt energetic. But our minimum number of people are generally 25 or above. And this time with lesser number of people also we could really enjoy. That shows the energy you guys have provided. thanks, and I want to first of all thank the parents that they believed in us, and they really left the kids to us, and they could really see the difference the kids have made in this 1 month program. Thank you very much, kids. Thank you very much, parents. Thank you very much, coaches. And thank you, Anindita.
Thank you so much. It was again awesome. What time did you wake up today, Swami sir?
I woke up at 4 o'clock in the morning.
And he's again planning to watch another match after this.
Yeah.
Something else only, I'm telling you. And after all the cycle rides and everything. And it was really
tomorrow is my gym day, huh?
Achha, after that, tomorrow morning he is having his gym day. So he really
7 o'clock.
does run for our life out here. We really cannot keep up with this kind of pace, but we are wanting to do that. We are motivated to see him. Thank you so much, Swami sir. It really means a lot. You lead by example every time. So this is really, really inspiring. Now over to you, Chandrankit sir, with your part of the show.
Yes. Hello, everyone. So here goes the magic part of our showcase event, and the first performer is Trisha. I remember when we were talking, and Trisha used to say, "I cannot remember, so I need to make notes." I remember her saying that, but the participation that we had from Trisha was amazing. Also, I must say that she was the one who could come up with a lot of answers when I asked about different ideas. So, Trisha, are you ready?
Yeah,
Yeah. All right. So you need to, make it look magical. Okay. So
Okay.
I had you on the spotlight. So here, for all of you, I'm presenting Trisha.
So here I have a really simple magic trick. It's not that complicated, but I remember, like, I think initially in the classes, Chandrankit sir taught us this magic trick, and I was just really amazed by it. It was really simple. All it was just like a toothpick just magically appeared, out of nowhere. And it was amazing how just something so simple was so magical, and I really wanted to like practice this trick. And I think, yeah, I wanted to do this for the show.
Oh, wonderful. I want you to repeat it for the audience because I think it mixed with the background. Can you bring it in front of your face and do it?
Okay, so I have nothing in my hands, but now I do.
Wow.
Wow, that's superb. That's really smooth.
That's damn good. Well done.
Very nice, Trisha. And it's very good to see that in one of the lectures I was talking about storytelling. So Trisha actually used it. She didn't start the magic right away. Here is my hand, and everything. So she used that part, and I'm really amazed to see you could come up with that, making a small story, talking about the background of the effect, and then performing it. Very nice, Trisha. You were very confident while performing that. And
Yes, and that's very important, creating that story. And she could have just said that, nothing in hand and then this, but she created that. And that is really, really amazing. That's a part of the whole show. So thank you so much, Trisha. Thank you.
I think we should have one more performer with us right now.
Yes, please go ahead.
So I think where is the young guy with the bow tie? Samarth. Can you unmute? Are you ready to perform something? Wait. I'll add you. Wait. I'll add you on the spotlight.
He's super excited to perform.
Okay, so here is Samarth. Wait, Samarth. Let me introduce you. So here is Samarth. Samarth used to sit very quietly and notice everything. And I used to wonder that he's doing something else. But he was always so instant with making all the things that I used to tell him. And whenever I asked him, Samarth, what are you doing? He used to show me, oh, I'm making this. And so that was really wonderful to see. Now, over to you, Samarth. Let's amaze the audience.
Okay, here I have nothing in my hand. Magically, a coin will come. Oh, sorry. That was a mistake. Here I have nothing in my hand. or kind will come.
Nice. You nice, very nice, Samarth. Very nice. I actually performed this effect in a different style, and I performed one effect with card this way. Samarth has actually combined these two effects and performed a new trick altogether. Very good with the creativity, Samarth. I hope you will practice, keep on practicing magic.
So that's
Okay.
really, really wonderful. Another thing which we are really training the kids into is that it's absolutely okay to do blunders. It's absolutely okay to make mistake, but do not be afraid. That's very important. We just don't try out things with the fear of that. What if I go wrong? And for a child like Samarth, if he learns that this early, he will be such a powerful person when he grows up. So that really makes a lot of difference. It's not about only showing up something. It's about being courageous to say that, yes, I'm ready. And Samarth was not even knowing that his name is going to be called, but he was ready and he just did it. And this is brilliant. I am so proud of you, Samarth. Right? That's amazing. Yes, thank you so much, Chandrankit sir.
Thank
So,
you.
yes. So Samarth's parents, if you can share something after seeing what he has just done, you're sharing about the experience of the summer camp, Veda and all.
Hello, everyone. I'm so much excited that he's so much into the magic and so much into the dance. He was never before. And the way Ankit Anna has taught them was amazing. And Chandrankit sir, you are a hero for him. Every time he'll come up with a new magic and he will show me, Mom, did you see this one? I'll do some magic and all those. He really loved all the classes. And I want to thank each and every coaches. I have seen many of the time, it was overtime, like 11:15, 11:30 for us. But still the classes keep going. I used to ask Samarth, are you not done? Are you not done? But it is like teachers and students, everyone so much indulged, so much involved into it. And they are like actively, enthusiastically, they keep on continuing. Really, thank you so much for everyone, Nandita ma'am and all the coaches. Thank you so much.
That's a beautiful sharing. And Samarth's dad, you want to add up something?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, it's been a great 3 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks program, and Samar is always engaged. Okay, initially we thought like he's just 6 years. I don't know how much he get involved, but the kind of involvement starting from like 8:30. Okay, oh Papa, my class starts at 9. I need to be there, and every time for the magic class, okay, he never misses a beat. So he's always there. And after like 11 o'clock, he just come up with like 30 minutes to show us okay what he learned in the classes. That's really takeaway from the classes. So it's a great experience for us and even for Samar too.
And Arandita ma'am, so whatever you have taught to Samarth, he is asking us to follow as well. We just can't touch our phone while we are having our dinner or lunch. He just keep telling us not to touch the phone, and you are trying to check the messages. So thank you so much for making us disciplined.
That's so wonderful. A 6-year-old actually calling the shots and knows what is right for him and what is wrong for him. And, your sharing also reminds me, it is not easy for a small child or anybody to sit at one place for an online class. So this is not only a magic created by a magician, Chandrankit sir. This magic is created by all our coaches. They are all magicians because they engage the child in such a manner that they're so passionate about their own work. They forget the time limit and all. They just want to give their...
I actually messaged Sham sir saying that, do you have a break? Actually, there was a break. He did not take the break. He keeps doing.
Yes, thank you so much. I actually, it happened with me all the time. Whenever Anandita ma'am lecture used to, over this, I used to come in and instantly seeing all the people excited. Well, I used to just continue, and after 5-10 minutes, I used to realize, oh, we didn't ask for the break. And then I used to say them, oh, go for the break, have some water and everything. And the whole point is, like you were saying, Samarth is such a young kid, and the whole point is to plant that seed of thought, so that it can grow someday and it grows into a really big thing, and someday later, after so many years, they'll realize that it was that time when we learned this and now we are using this. So that is the whole plan. Thank you so much, ma'am and sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And we just saw Trisha performing in such a beautiful way, in that storytelling manner. Trisha has always been very participative. If I ask something, she'll put her hand up. She always asks. She's very inquisitive. She wants to know more. And if she has any doubt, she never feels ashamed of asking. Whether she doesn't think that whether it will be a silly question or something like that. She keeps on asking and on. So that's beautiful participation. That's what we want from our kids. So I would request Trisha's parents, if you can share in few words how your experience was for this session, for this workshop.
Coach.
Sure. First of all, I'd like to thank all the coaches and Anindita ma'am and for organizing this. I just got a call one day from my father saying that this is something that you have to look into. And I just jumped on it because it was Anindita ma'am and Sham sir, and we know them so well. So it was a no-brainer for us. When she got introduced to the program, she was like, Mama, this is like a whole package for me. And it was like in one shot, she got to learn so many things. Like all the kids, the highlight was Chandrankit sir for sure. But as the days went by, she realized she likes to dance as well. She likes photography as well. And she used to just randomly, when we used to go for walks, she used to just take pictures and she used to come home and show it to us. And it was just wonderful. The one thing that she's taken out of this is that, Chandrankit sir, I think you have taught her this to think outside the box. And she has been doing that since a very long time, but she was able to channelize all that energy now. And she really enjoys that. And dance was something that she wanted to stay away from. But Ankit Tanna sir, thank you so much. I've always wanted her to dance and you've instilled that in her. So hopefully she'll continue doing this. Cooking has never been her forte. Whenever I had asked her to cook something for me or, just in general, be in the kitchen, she's never really wanted to. But now yesterday she told me, Mama, I want to make burritos for the two of you. So it was really very nice. And she's enjoyed each and every session. Today's grand finale, she was a little stressed out, but overall it went well. So thank you so much for everything. And definitely I'm going to spread the word to her friends. One of her friends is here and she's just taking a look at this. Her name is Sophia. She's born and brought up here. So I'm just kind of, wanting her to see everything as well. So yeah, thank you so much for this platform.
Yeah, hi Sophia, how are you? Thank you so much, Rushali, for this beautiful sharing. And Sagar, if you want to add up to something to this.
I'll just say ditto to whatever Rushali said, and I'm going to piggyback on what Samarth's parents said, that all the rules and regulations you have taught her, she makes sure we follow it too. So, yeah, just overall great experience getting into this from a virtual perspective. We are not sure if it's going to be that participative for kids as well as coaches to instruct the kids, but it just all panned out so well. So we appreciate the dedication you guys as coaches have shown. And as someone said, in spite of a smaller crowd, you maintain the momentum, the energy to keep on going for almost a month. So that's fantastic. So thank you. Appreciate.
Thank you so much.
I appreciate all the parents, all the kids and the coaches to create a team environment and keep it going.
And hopefully when we come to India, we'll get to meet everyone in person. And thank you guys for doing this, really.
Yeah, we are waiting for our chocolates.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Oh, sure.
Okay, that really, I would like to really thank the parents, because you're the first batch of people who believed that we can do something like this there. It was more challenging for you all because I think things have opened up there. You had choices. You could have sent your kids to this kind of classes, which are physical class, in-person class, but you still believed in our work and chose to be there. There were no, there was no testimonial from our side that this is something we can do on your ground. This was something totally new, and this is going to be a golden thing that we are going to cherish. These are the first few people who understood our work and understood that we can do it. So it really means a lot to us. So, parents and the guests and the visitors, do not go away. We are going to have an exciting, super exciting show from Chandrankit sir and few other performances lined up. Why we are asking other people that what is your experiences, because this is our day where we also want to understand how things go. So before coming for the next part of sharing, I want to show all of you something very, very special. I hope you are excited to see what kids have done during this tenure of around 1 month. Are you all excited to see? Right, so this is what our kids have done. They have been sending the photo till the last moment today. And the first thing which I want to thank is that I also have a magician at home. We have, can we have you on focus here? So this magician is from the background most of the time. So this is Sham, and the kids have been sending us the photograph just 10 minutes before the show was starting. And we did not have most of the thing lined up. And while I was taking this session, Sham was doing his job there to line things and, put things up in such a manner that it becomes a really, really great treat for your eyes. So here it goes, what our kids have done. So I will just share the screen.
Yes, okay.
Yes, so time ma'am is sharing the screen. I'm excited to see the kind of work that you have done. It is like it's like magic. So here is the magic from all the kids. I think.
Just a moment, we are searching. Oh, this one.
All right, so I'll be performing something really, really exciting for all of you in some time, and a few more kids will perform what we have got. I hope you're all ready with the things that I've asked for. So here's the presentation.
Yeah, I hope this is visible. So welcome to our grand finale summer skill camp demo of what our kids have done. But I would really, as I told you, I really want to thank all the coaches. I always believe that a guru is someone who goes beyond self to forward the game of the life of their participants and their students. So that's what our coach have always done. They have led by example. So food and cooking, baking by Navanita ma'am. So these are,
But we mixed.
we mixed few of the last, summer skill camp photograph of India also here. So this is what is done by our kids. These are the burritos photos. This is the mocktail that they have made. Amazing, yummy mocktail. Yes, and these are the thank you cards made by our kids. This is from Soham and Pushkal. And this thank you card has been designed in calligraphy, which they have learned. Calligraphy is not something which you can really learn so soon, but in one class of learning, they after 2 classes, they have done such beautiful work. So I want all the coaches to please read this, because this is sent specially for your acknowledgement to you. I'm so grateful for the fun and engaging approach. It made the lesson interesting and made me want to learn. And thank you for being the best coaches I could ask for. That's so lovely. So this is from Pushkal, and Pushkal, thank you for helping me and believing in me, plus teaching new skills. I'm grateful for all the teaching, and I'm going to send all these things to my coaches personally also. Awesome things and helping me with new things, and then so many joy-filled days. Thank you so much, Pushkal. This is so lovely. These are the bags that have been made by our kids after learning the designing and all this part. They have made these bags, this mobile holder from their old clothes, which were supposed to be thrown out, and they have done such lovely job. This is done by Sahasra. Samartha is getting, wow, he's getting, practicing his magic tricks with such confident smile. Meenal, I hope you're there and you're watching. These are the beautiful job that the kids have done after attending your workshop, your training. This is done by Diksha lamp bottle.
This is amazing.
Yeah, this is the color combination thing that the Pushkal has done. And this is what our Ajay Sarode sir, he's just going to speak about this, has taught the kids. This is so beautiful. Anybody would like to keep it forever. These are the beautiful, amazing photograph clicked by our kids. Can you get this? This is like the technique they have learned here. And this is like a professional photography. I am just amazed to see this kind of work. Look at this, the concept, the theme, and the clarity. And this is our cool dude Samarth. He is wearing this little bag which he's made, and he's dressed up so beautifully. And this is the this is the dream catcher he made. A 6-year-old making a dream catcher. This is made by whom?
I don't remember.
But this is a cute dream
That's
catcher.
done by Samarth.
Oh, that's made by Samarth only. Yes. That is, can you imagine a 6-year-old making a dream catcher? So innovative, so beautiful, and whatever was available, with the limited amount of material available. So this is again a beautiful thank you card from Trisha, and it is written so beautifully, Trisha. Now you have really gotten hold of it. And she has also used the block printing technique to make this beautiful card. This is done by Samarth, which is little handprint, and thank you, coaches. This means a lot. This speaks 1,000 words. Oh wow, this is so beautiful.
He done it for mom. Samarth did it for mom.
Samarth has did it for his mom, I think. Veda, is
Yeah.
it? Okay.
Yes, thank you. He wrote my name.
Oh,
Thank you so much.
And he has done shading in this. Can you see that? So he's done some shading with that. Oh wow, that's wonderful. So this was when Ajay sir was training. So he was training with just a popsicle. He said that you do not require a sophisticated tool. What you require is a clear intention and the zeal to learn something new. So we are training our kids that whatever you want to do is available for you. If you just look around with the limited resources, you can create wonders. And that what Ajay Sarode sir coaches the kids how to solve bigger problem in life by breaking into small small portions, and how to think about what's possible rather than what we do not have. These are the beautiful dream catchers and the bottle painting Pushkal and Soham has done. So Meenal, are you watching this? This is
Wow, seriously, wow. This is amazing.
And just by one session, it was just one session, and they could create this kind of beautiful things. And these are the block printing class kids are getting ready for, which was taken by our very own Tanisha Malhotra and Anushi Malhotra. Tanisha Malhotra had shown a lot of patience, and she herself is very young, but she has done a beautiful job. So we were doing this block printing with natural colors and the vegetables, and they're all enjoying it. Again, look at these pictures. Like, this is so beautiful, so awesome.
It's different type of.
So the same picture with different angles have been shot. I think this is done by some professional. I sometimes feel that this is really, really mind-blowing. Look at these pictures. These are done by Trisha?
No, it was done by me.
Oh, Parth. Wow.
We went to a mall and we were taking pictures of like palm trees.
Oh, wow. That's really, really brilliant job done. Again, Parth with his creativity and beautiful dream catcher. This is what we have learned yesterday only. This is tie and dye method, and look at what is the outcome is. This is really brilliant, Parth and Soham. You have done a brilliant job. This is really awesome. I'm very sure Anushri ma'am and Tanisha will be so happy to see something like this. And these are when the things were in progress. A lot of time, things which looks messy comes out with a brilliant result. So please do not stop your kid. Sometimes it is, I know it is, there's a lot of, things which get scattered, it's messy, but then that's how they understand how to do creative things. So we request all the parents to let them be sometimes like that.
Movie we can play here 2 minutes.
So this is a 2 minutes movie which the kids have done. So this is just a 2-minute movie. We are playing it. All of you watch this movie.
Celebrate the 4th of July together. Okay, I'm gonna go with the friends. Okay.
Sasha, where are you? Hello, officer? My sister is missing. I think she got kidnapped. Yes, I finally captured some of the most wanted criminals.
No one is ever going to find her now.
What are we supposed to do, Chris? What are we supposed to do so no one finds out? I do not want to get caught.
Yeah, maybe we should make sure that nobody will find Sasha. Maybe we should put a no entry sign on the door.
That's just going to make it obvious. Just trust me, no one will find her. We are the kidnappers.
What? Here's the news? Let me see which the outer look like kidnappers. Let me see. That one looks like a kidnapper. Let me call the police. Hello? Hello, who is this? Oh, you found the criminals. Yes, I am on it. We will go capture them and we'll save your friend.
I thought you said no one was ever gonna figure out our scheme.
I'm so happy that Sahasra is back now and we can all celebrate the 4th of July together. Happy 4th of July, everyone.
Oh, wow, that is really, really wonderful.
Most of it is just fireworks. You could skip that.
Hey, great job, yeah. All of you have done a really wonderful job together. And this editing specially done by Soham Path, and I think even Siddharth helped a lot in this. This is really a brilliant job. I would like to mention here to the parents that apart from Diksha and Sahasra and Soham and Path, because they're brothers, nobody was there at, together. So everybody, they did their job sitting at their home and they made something like so brilliant like this. It seemed that everybody are there together, but they were not. So what do you feel about this video, coaches? Any comment from any of the coaches?
Wow, that's super amazing. Like, it is so important to collaborate, to think about all the things that we can do. Just sitting at home, it's so brilliant. Like, you guys could actually use all the skills that we learned, and the video is amazing. Like, from such young kids coming up with from the story to shooting it to the dialogues to editing and then combining. Wonderful. Good job, everyone.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. That was really brilliant. And I would like to ask now Sahasra. Sahasra, how is your experience about this workshop?
Very nice and good. And I like it. It's like, I like painting and I like magic. I like almost everything in this class.
That's so nice. That's pretty cool. Thank you so much, Sahasra, for that wonderful words, those wonderful words. Now, I would really request Ajay sir, if you can say something about your experience about this class.
Yeah, hi.
Stop the screen share.
Yes.
Hi, everyone. Nice to see everyone full in action. As Chandrankit sir did mention and Anandita has been mentioning, see, technology will evolve. Technology is something that needs application. And your mind and thought processes are the only chance to have as many applications as possible. I'm sure each of the kid has taken that nuances from every exposure that we intended to give, was unidirectional in opening up your mind to possibilities. Nothing is impossible. somebody did mention calligraphy was so difficult. But then having look at the small bits and combining them together was a brilliant thing. So is the magic that Chandrankit sir usually goes about, and the energy levels that Ankit Tanna brings, the creativity that you put in kitchen. So I would actually point this out to all the parents that technology can aid a lot of things, but it is the power of conceptualizing in the mind when it occurs. Technology is only a media to produce far extended results and far-fetched results. So great on that part. Kudos to every kid. And yes, a million thanks to parents for believing and giving us a chance to have it put forward for your kids. Absolutely awesome and stunning at this age. Whatever you have done, it is too good, including the creativity part in the dream catcher, which Minal madam did showcase. It is superb. The color combinations are simply awesome. Great job, and thanks on behalf of everyone.
Yeah, thank you so much, Ajay sir. Yeah, it means a lot. And Minal ma'am, whatever she taught, what again with some limited resources, and they really did a brilliant job with that. So, Chandrankit sir, are there any kids who want to perform? And we are eagerly waiting for your performance.
Yes, absolutely. So,
Diksha has her hand raised.
yes. So let me ask Diksha. Diksha, are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes. So there's a small echo from your side. Okay. So
My dad is in the same room.
Oh, okay, I'll unmute it.
one can mute. So okay, so let me talk about Diksha for a moment. So Diksha was the very silent kid in the classes, but she was so good with putting in the efforts, putting in time. I think she did a lot of practice in whatever I taught, and she was also always coming up with new ideas and everything. So here is a young magician for all of you. Diksha, over to you. Let's amaze the audience.
Okay. So there's nothing in my hand, but now I have a card.
Oh, very nice. You were so quick with that. Wonderful.
That's really very smooth, Diksha. Very nice.
Let me stress on this thing that, for kids.
Actually, I have one more.
Oh, wonderful. We would love to see that. But let me put this point before you perform. For kids, it's really difficult, sometimes to manage. And with such small time to practice and everything, you did a fabulous job, Diksha. Let's go for one more from side. Yeah.
Okay. So the pen will go up.
Oh, anti-gravity. How is that possible?
Very nice, Diksha. Very nice, Diksha. I hope you will put in more efforts to do these things. And how was your experience? Let me quickly ask. If I ask you to give sum up the entire experience in just one word for the entire class we have, what that word would be?
Very good.
Very good. Okay, these are two words. but awesome. Thank you so much, Diksha. Let's see magic from one more. We have a duo here. We have Soham and Pushkal. Soham and Pushkal, are you all? Do you have the act ready? The duo act?
Yeah.
Yes. Soham, are you ready?
Yeah, so let's do it.
Yes. I'll add you on spotlight. Wait for a moment.
Oh, and also one question. And also, is it okay if we also do like individual acts as well?
Sure.
Yeah. Okay.
So first, let's see the duo act. So Soham and Pushkal, super energetic. Soham, I saw your dance. You should, do it professionally. I feel that you were so good with it, so much of energy. And Pushkal, great work on the editing. So Pushkal and Soham were like in the entire class, they were all trying let's do something. And they were, coming up with ideas which I was not talking about in the class. So they were actually doing it together. So I said, why not you prepare a duo act for the audience? So here is Soham and Pushkar for all of you. So create the magic, guys. Yeah.
Pushkar's gonna do it at my room.
Oh, sure.
Pushkar. Come on. What? I'm here. Okay. Okay. I'll try and wait. I'll try what?
Wait. Soham, there's a lot of light from the window. Can you put the curtains like so that there's this huge glare. Yeah, better.
Curtains. Yes. I think there's too much of light in Arizona,
Yeah, better. You can try it now. Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah, you can try now.
Okay, let me get some cards. Okay, take any card. Like anywhere. Don't show it to me. Okay. Okay, now put it back in. Put it in anywhere. No, you have to put it in, not on top. Okay? Okay. Now your card should be a green 8.
Is it the same card, Pushkar?
Well, okay, maybe you might think that we're lying. Okay, so how about we do it again? But I'll show you and someone has to face away. That way it'll look even cooler. So let's do it again. Okay.
That card.
Let me choose a card.
Choose any card.
Okay. Now I need you to go down. Go down. Don't.
Up.
No. Go down and show them.
Yes, we got it. Yeah, we got it.
We got this.
Now put it in. Not on the top. Put it in. Okay. Your card.
It's the same one.
Oh, very nice, very nice. I'm glad that you with the duo act.
Let's
Very quickly, Pushkar, you wanted to show something?
So you see this coin, right?
Yeah. Can you come close to the screen?
Okay. Where's the camera? Oh, here. Okay.
Yes.
Better.
See this?
Yeah, the coin is there.
It's in this hand, right?
Yeah.
Wait, sorry, I messed up. So now I'm bringing this in. So it should be in this hand, right?
Yes.
Yes.
It's like-
Just to... Oh, nice. I'm happy you could come up with a brand new idea to use that. Very good.
Okay. I'm gonna do one without. Okay.
Okay.
So I have no coin, right? Okay. You see
Nothing
my
in your
hand's clear.
Yeah.
Okay. So. Wait, where? Oh, here.
Oh wow.
Nice.
Superb.
And I'll show you a thumb one. We learned.
We'll cheat at the end now. Okay, very good, Pushkar and Soham. I want you both to continue with this. Keep collaborating, keep practicing, so that you can come up with great ideas. I really like that you used one of the effects that I taught, but you could come up with a brand new idea. Good job on that. Okay, so we have been seeing a lot of magic, and we have been running a little out of time. So let me get back to what I want to show you. Are you all excited? Should I do it now, Anandita ma'am?
Yes, yes, please go ahead. So this
Okay.
is Chandrankit sir. I just wanted to acknowledge one or two people. Like as I told that with the help of Amar sir, we could start this. But there are few really dear friend of ours who really believed in this. Like as I told you, Brushali. But another mom who was a great support pillar to all of us is Aparna. So Aparna went all out to ask people to promote it, to put the posters, right from talking to other parents, just like Amarji and Vishali. So thank you so much, Aparna, for this great support. And she has been still, till today also, she have been relentlessly, working towards it. She had sent all the photographs to us till the last moment. And it really is a big help, Aparna, and it really means a lot.
Yeah, thank you, Anandita and Sham sir, and all the coaches. Actually, kids. Can you 1 minute? Huh? Okay, there is another phone is also there. Sorry. Okay, so thank you all the coaches for organizing this lovely summer camp. We really enjoyed, and kids really enjoyed a lot, and it means it takes really a lot of patience and endurance and talent to teach all the kids in the time, right? 9 to 11, it's really hard. I mean, initially I was really like I'm like very skeptical, like how can they teach everything in the 2 hours? But in this summer camp, I was really amazed by all the work and the talent and skills that you taught. It's really amazing, really amazing. I cannot thank you enough for all the magnificent things you taught them. Really, thanks all the coaches, Nivedita ma'am, Ankit sir, Chandrankit sir, then Ajay Sarode sir, Jitesh Patil, Minal, Tanisha, and Santaram Swami. Yeah, all the coaches. Yeah, thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, Aparna. It really means a lot. Is Sudhir there around?
Yeah, he was there. 1 minute. Huh?
Yes. So we would also like to know from Sudhir, how was his experience? Before that, we can quickly go to Pia's mom. Smita, are you there?
Yeah, yes, I'm here.
Yeah, hi
Yeah.
Pia. How was your experience? And you have come back after the holiday. I'm so happy to see Pia back. Like they have become a part of our group and we really miss them. So when they come back, we really feel so happy. Yes, Smita.
Yeah, thank you very much for such a wonderful session. The kids enjoyed a lot, and Tia was able to perform even after going for a break. So she was saying, I don't know whether I'll be able to perform, but she really danced well. And she was really enjoying all the classes. So thanks to all the coaches and especially Anandita ma'am for all this. And also Aparna for telling me about this class. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. As I told you, Aparna has introduced many people. Chandrasekhar ji is also there, Siddharth's dad. Chandrasekhar ji, are you there? Can you just share your experience in 1 or 2 sentences if you wish to? I think he will take some time to come online. Yeah, Aparna.
1 minute. Yeah, Sudhir is here. You can.
Hi, Sudhir. Hare Krishna.
Hello. You know, one thing, we were skeptical about the class. We didn't know like what all skills kids are going to learn. But now, after seeing the calligraphy, the cooking, because these are both guys, they were like always foodie, right? They want to eat, but they don't want to take the effort to cook. That is, I mean, it should be the common phenomena in most of the families, right? Kids don't cook. Or when they cook, they make too much mess, right? But this is the first time I saw them cooking and then appreciating mom, I don't know you do this much, because they don't see what is going on in the kitchen. They just see the final product. So it was amazing to see that understanding with them that it takes time, effort, patience to cook, and then you get to enjoy your effort. And then calligraphy, I honestly because they're here they don't do as much handwriting that they do, right? And then calligraphy was, as my understanding was, it's a difficult art, right? It takes effort to do those kind of things. But then I saw them doing it and I was amazed at the skill that they captured. Magic is another exciting thing that they are passionate about. They were like, every time they will figure out something that they want to do, and then who is the candidate or guinea pig that has to go through the so they'll pick one of the parent, and mostly me, because I'm not available to them as much. So they'll come and they will want to show the magic, and it's amazing to see them, right? And today, believe me, I first time saw them dancing, and I can't believe, especially Pushkal dancing, because he is the last person who will dance, and now he's actually dancing.
So thank you, thank you, Ankit sir, for make them dance, both of them actually.
Yeah, in fact, when the class was starting, I asked you guys that if somebody is not interested, how do you make people dance who are not interested? And now I see that actually Pushkal dancing, that's an achievement. So thank you, coaches. Thank you, everyone. Ankit sir, I don't know all of your name, but thank you very much. Really appreciate your work, and thank you, guys.
Thank you so much. That was so beautiful, and that is amazing experience, isn't it, Ankit sir?
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, all the coaches.
Yeah, it really means a lot. And Pushkal danced so well today. He was full of energy. He's like amazing. This is a transformation, and that's what I exactly said that all of our coaches are magician. So not only Chandrankit sir, there are so many coaches who are magician. Now we have few more things left, but I know you're all eager to see Chandrankit sir's performance and his special show. And here it goes. I do not want to come in between you and Chandrankit sir. Parents, just put on your seatbelt, because this is a super thing that is we are all waiting for. So please gear up and put your hand together for Chandrankit sir. Over to you. It's all yours, Chandrankit sir.
Oh, thank you so much, ma'am. It's amazing. Like, I'm in such an art form, and I'm in such a creative field, that I constantly think about all the ideas, what different I can do, what experience that I can deliver. And in this creative process, I could come up with a lot of ideas which I can share with kids to help them build this creativity. Yes. So we actually learned a lot of things throughout this session. We learned about calligraphy, dancing, of course, magic, cooking, and everything. So whenever there's a break, I also learn a lot of things. You know what I did in this pandemic? I also learned, kind of sketching. So if you can see, I have this deck of cards, but this is not a normal deck of cards. There is a small stick figure. Can you see a small stick figure on every card? So I drew this just like a flip book. How many of you know what is a flip book? There is a sketch and it sorts of animates, right? So I did this in this pandemic. I drew a lot of sketches and this, and I thought, why not use it for magical effect? So here is one. So for this effect, I want someone from the audience who knows about cards. Is there anyone who knows about all the cards in this deck? Can someone raise the hand? Pushkal, you know about cards? You know the names? Pia.
I think I know. Oh.
A few. Pia?
Yeah, I know most.
Right. So, okay. So it's not, I'll just ask you to, think of a card. Can you think of a card for me?
Maybe the ace.
No, don't tell me.
Yeah.
Just think
Oh.
in your mind for now. Okay, so I'll try to influence you
Now
to
you
think
can
of a card.
think of some other card because you've spoken about it.
Okay, yes. Now you're thinking of some other card. I already have a drawing in this. I have my friend here. I'll tell you who is my friend. Okay. So you have a card in your mind? Yes. So there are red cards and black cards. You're thinking of one? Cool. Now there are face cards and number cards. You're thinking of one of these, right? Yes. Okay. So I said I have a deck of cards, and these cards are, something special about these cards. So for the first time, for the entire audience, what is the card that you are thinking of? You have to tell out loud.
Oh, me?
Pia.
Okay. I'm thinking of the Two of Hearts.
Two of Hearts.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so those who do not know about cards, I'll actually show how Two of Hearts look like. So Two of Hearts is, I think, here. Can you see? This is the Two of Hearts. This card. This card is the Two of Hearts here, like this. Okay. So the Two of Hearts, I said I actually drew something on back of every card, and I want to show something interesting. So this is my friend Mike. Mike is also a magician. Can you see him wearing this nice hat, a magician's hat? Yeah. So Mike does magic. And how Mike does magic is this, like this. So Mike raises his hands, reaches out in the pocket, in the cap. He takes the cap out and he tries to take something out of the hat. It's a rabbit. No, he changes his mind. It's a card. It's a card. And he takes out the card, and to show the magic of Mike, it's not just any card. It is the card that Pia is thinking about, and I think Mike got the right card, that is the Two of Hearts. I'll show it again to you in a very quick, fast motion. So Mike goes in, Mike takes the hat out, Mike goes inside, takes a card out, and that is the card that is Pia thinking of. That is the Two of Hearts. So I hope you enjoyed this a little effect that I wanted to show you. The point that I wanted to make is I involved all the things that
We are speechless. How did this happen? This is like too good, awesome.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So I used all the things that I taught. I used story line, I used creative ideas, I used the prop around me, I came up with an effect, and I used to inculcate sort of technology, like the animation thing with cards, which seems unreal, but this is actually happening. So I hope you all loved it. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much. That was the effect from my side.
Wow.
Magnificent. Thank you, Chandrankit sir. Very nice.
Really, really mind-blowing.
Yeah.
Amazing. So, Siddharth, what do you have a say on this show, and also about your experience about this summer camp, skill camp?
It was really great. I learned a lot of new things.
Oh, wow. So as I said, Siddharth is a man of few words, and he really participates well. Recently, he became very interactive with his expressions, and he's very, he was being naughty and all. I really love that transformation of Siddharth. And he has a lovely smile, which I could see only after few classes, right? So that is really, really beautiful, amazing. And thank you, Siddharth, for being who you are. That means a lot. So Siddharth, is your dad there around, Chandrasekhar sir?
Not right now.
I'm here. I'm here.
Absolutely.
I'm here.
Yeah, he's there. Yes. Sir, what's your input about how you felt?
Yeah, actually, we got very late into this, so I didn't pay much attention because Aparna, a friend of mine, she introduced, and then initially she and my wife were coordinating. I got involved only when the registration was required. But then he had this conflict with cricket games, and then that's why he couldn't participate in all the classes. So he missed out a few. After watching all this, I realized that he missed out quite a bit of stuff. So had we known earlier, we would have been full time on this.
Yeah, thank you so much. But as we always say, sir, that all the classes are independent of each other, so he did not miss much. He has picked up so well, and I'm so happy to see the kind of transformation he has, and the way he has participated is really, really beautiful. So we are going to start our next batch from 15th of July. So please register yourself. We are going to end it on 11th or 12th of August, 11th of August. So kids, get your friends and parents. I really need your help to have a good quorum. It's not only about our feasibility, it's about the total energy of the class. The kids love it. We have a lot of group work to be done where the kids need other people and they look forward to this kind of classes when the vibration is good. We are putting a lot of effort from here because it's night time here, and I'm really blessed to have my coaches by my side always without even asking a single question. This is really a treasure that I cherish, but I know that it takes a lot of effort for my coaches to be here awake for being so long, but they do it with a smile. So that is very important. And I would like to ask the guests who had come today about their feedback, how you felt about it. So if anybody can unmute, we have Krishnil here. We have got KKKKK here. So I do not know who is that guest, but I would really love to hear from you if you want to share something. Also, I want to ask Trisha's friend, did you like it? Did you like the magic show? How was it for you?
I really liked it. It was cool to see everyone.
Yeah, Sophia, right? Am I
Yeah.
right? with the name? Okay, great.
And do their best in their work that they've learned through that whole month.
Wow, thank you. That's awesome. I would like to have you here. And Pia, there are people who can rejoin and you can really, be a part of this, event which we are going to have. And Ankit sir, if you can say some few words finally before we say bye to everybody.
Before we end, I would like to ask the students, would you like to dance again?
Hey, Diksha.
Yeah, we want to dance
Yeah.
again. So let's have a finale dance.
Yeah, okay. Let's do it this time. And this time, I'm not going to be helping you. Okay, this time, let's see you doing it by yourself. I won't be dancing with you. And this one is the challenging part, right? So let's see group 1 and group 2. That's everyone together. Do the entire dance one more time so that everyone can watch you again this time. Ready? And let's go. Let's finish this with a lot of energy today. Let's finish this session. Let's finish this grand finale with a lot of energy, a lot of smiling. Put your props together. Put all your props together, please. Put your handkerchiefs, your toys, your sunglasses, put everything in place and adjust your camera, get into position. And we shall go right from the beginning. Are we ready? I'm giving you 10 seconds.
Here with this.
And let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm giving you 10 seconds to get into position. Let's go. Soham, adjust your camera slightly. Pushkal, go one step back. Trisha, adjust your camera. Pull it slightly lower. Siddharth, pull your camera slightly lower. Samarth, go one step back.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay. And Pia, adjust your camera, put it slightly lower. Okay. Ready, everyone? Okay, let's go from the beginning. And
Voy por ahí, mami, voy por ahí. La mitad de baile la vamos a destruir. Pero no me para que lo va a discutir ya. Welcome to the remix. Go. Hey, watch out for this. Hey, voy por ahí. तवे पे फ्राई होगा, कोई न जाने अपना फ्यूचर क्या होगा। होट घुमा सीढ़ी बजा के बोल भैया।
You know that my favorite is when you're rocking that Daisy's way. Now whatever you wear, babe, you can make the whole room stay. You know that my favorite is when you're rocking that Daisy's way.
Tenu suit karda, oh tenu suit karda, tenu suit karda. Oh ni tu lagdi Punjab, lagdi Patona, lagdi tu saariyan to vakhri. Tenu suit karda, oh tenu suit karda, oh tenu suit karda, tenu suit karda. आंखों को झुका के रख ले, गोरे गोरे गालों को छुपा के रख ले। नीनी नीनी आंखों को झुका के रख ले, गोरे गोरे गालों को छुपा के रख ले। है करीना की, ओ है करीना किसे देना है प्यार। मुझे तो बच के रही, तो हुने हुने हुई मुझ पे यार। मुझे तो बच के रही, तो हुने हुने हुई मुझ पे यार। मुझे तो बच के रही।
Okay, wonderful, wonderful.
Yay! That's
Very nice, wonderful. What an energy.
Good job.
Good job.
Superb energy. I really loved it. And thank
Very
you
nice.
so much, Ankit sir, for ending with such a good, amazing vibration and super energy and being with us till the end. Because Ankit has already, a lot of class. I think today is one of the busiest day he has, because Sunday he has a lot of class lined up, but he still made it sure that he is there till the end. And thank you. Mistake here. And having so much of patience and having your faith in us and our work, it means a lot. You are the torchbearer, and you are the people who are going to endorse it and spread it across. So please, I need your help to start the next journey of the next month, which is starting from 15th of July. People who are already there are many people who are continuing with it, and congratulations for that. Who they have already re-enrolled and they're continuing. There are a few people who have they have joined with 2 months only in the beginning itself, and there are few people who have renewed. So congratulations, and we are looking forward, and we want some more addition. And I really will be missing my kids who are not able to continue due to some reason, like the schools are starting or they're, they're having their starting. But I hope I can see you again very soon. We are always there. We are just a message away. If you have any difficulty or any question, you can always get back to us. It is never the end. We have a brilliant relationship with all our participants. So once our kids are always there for us in our group, they're always our kids. So thank you so much. And thank you for being there in this grand finale. See you all on 15th of July. We are taking a short break because even our coaches needs a break. Thank you, Ajay sir. Thank you, Ankit sir. And all my coaches were there. So it's quite late out here. So they had to log off. And special thanks to Chandrankit sir for always being such a rock solid support and continuing from wherever I have a gap out here. It means a lot, all my coaches, and you are all awesome. You are the support system of this summer skill camp. Thank you so much. It means a lot. So good night from India, and have a fantastic Sunday to all of you out there. Have a great day.
Thank you so much once again. Thank you all. Good night.
Thank you, Anandita. Thank you very much.
Thank you all.
Bye.
Thank you, coaches.
I'll be here when everyone leaves.
Bye.
Thank you,
Soham.
Anand.
For the last
And
moment.
today is Sham sir's birthday, so just please happy birthday.
Oh,
Hey, happy birthday, Sham.
Just
Happy birthday, Sham sir.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sham.
Happy birthday.
Happy
happy
birthday.
Happy birthday. I'll
stay here, so
I'll stay here when everyone leaves.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
So
Thank you.
after this, the celebration starts. Here's a cake cutting and all those things.
I wish I was there.
all right. Happy birthday, Sham.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Sudhir.
Happy birthday, Sham. May Krishna,
Thank you,
Radha Krishna
Aparna.
bless you.
Thank you
so much.
Thank you so much, Amarji.
Amarji, thank
Happy
you.
birthday, Sham. Have a great day, Sham.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye. Bye, Diksha.
Yeah.
Bye, Soham. Bye.
Bye.
I'll see you.
Bye-bye,
all.
everyone.
I'll stay here when everyone leaves.
Whenever everyone lives. Thank you, Minal. Thank you, Minal.
Thank
See
you, Meenal.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.